Lovelies, welcome to the delicious kitchen. Lovelies, I brought you this delicious grain fried rice. It's a must try for everyone. Let's get it started. In a bowl here, I have 4 cups of basmati rice. Okay, and in this pot, I have 8 cups of water. That's what I'll be using for boiling this rice. But first of all, I need to wash the rice to make sure that it is well clean. As you're washing it, you'll be noticing that the water keeps turning milky. You just have to pour that one away, add more fresh water into it, and wash it gently. Otherwise, all those rice will be broken. And if you don't want that, so be gentle with it, and you wash until your rice water is very clear like this. You can wash it about 4 to 5 times. All right, lovelies, please remember to love, remember to like, remember to share. Let me know where you're watching me from. It's now time to add the well-washed rice into the water, cold water. So I'm just going to use the spatula to just spread it well. Now turn on your heat, all right? I'm adding salt, and after that I'll be adding this meat stock. Yes, frozen meat stock. Now I cover and allow to boil. Look at it. Let me show you. You can see the water has reduced and the rice has swollen. So I'm just going to turn down the heat and allow it to simmer under low heat until the water dries out. Look at it. In another pot, pour the vegetable oil or coconut oil or olive oil you'll be using. Heat it up a bit and then add sliced onion into this. I'm just going to saute this, and it's now time to add my diced green bell pepper, diced green beans, and of course my chives. If you have green onion, you can also use it. I remain a bit of the chives for using it later. So it's now time to add curry, thyme, chili flakes, seasoning. And what I have here is my crayfish powder to enhance the flavor and to boost the taste, my lovelies. It's a must try. This is how I'm going to fry all those vegetables together. You just have to fry and fry for about 2 minutes. All right, fry them. Let all those ingredients come together. It's now time to get your boiled rice, add it into this, and you start to mix and fry. Kindly remember to leave a comment, like, love, share. Let me know where you're watching me from. I appreciate your support. God bless you. Lovelies, you keep frying this. Fry for about 5 minutes. Yes, fry it for about 5 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes. Let me put it away, and you will love it because they are both done. They only need to become one. If you try this is so simple, and the color is amazing, and the taste is super. Let me show you what I did with the rest chives. I just garnished it with it, and I served. Look at it. I served this with fish, oven fish. You can check the comment section, or on this page you're gonna see how I prepared this fish. Come and join me. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all.